This is left-sided scapula. Scapula is also called shoulder blade. Scapula is triangular in shape and situated in the posterolateral chest wall. স্ক্যাপুলাটা ওভারল্যাপ করে 2nd থেকে 7 rib পর্যন্ত। Parts of the scapula. It has two surface. This is costal surface. This is dorsal surface. 3 angle. Superior angle, inferior angle, lateral angle. 3 border. Superior border, medial border, lateral border. And 2 process. Acromion process, coracoid process. Costal surface. It is concave and directed medially. A narrow strip along the medial border. This is narrow strip along the medial border of this surface gives insertion of serratus anterior muscle, and rest of the costal surface gives origin of subscapularis muscle. Costal surface je oblique ridge পাওয়া যায়, this is oblique ridge. A oblique ridge gives attachment of intermuscular tendon. Dorsal surface. Dorsal surface is divided into 2 parts by spine of the scapula. This is spine of the scapula. 2টা পার্টসে বিভক্ত করে upper smaller supraspinatus fossa and lower larger infraspinatus fossa. এই supraspinatus fossa এবং infraspinatus fossa communicate করে by হচ্ছে spinoglenoid notch. This is spinoglenoid notch. Spinoglenoid notch থেকে ট্রান্সমিট হয় suprascapular vessel and nerve. Supraspinatus fossa. It gives origin of supraspinatus muscle. Infraspinatus fossa. It gives origin of infraspinatus muscle. Infraspinatus fossa lateral border এর কাছাকাছি যে স্ট্রিপ ফ্ল্যাটেন্ড স্ট্রিপ থাকে, দিস ইজ ফ্ল্যাটেন্ড স্ট্রিপ। এটার আপার পার্ট থেকে আপার 2/3, ফ্ল্যাটেন্ড স্ট্রিপের আপার 2/3, এখান থেকে অরিজিনে টেরিস মাইনর মাসেল অ্যান্ড লোয়ার 1/3 gives origin of teres major muscle. Lateral border. It extends from lateral angle to inferior angle. Lateral border glenoid cavity ঠিক নিচেই এই অংশটাকে বলা হয় infraglenoid tubercle. Infraglenoid tubercle gives origin of long head of triceps brachii. And lateral border এর dorsal surface এর upper part থেকে origin নেয় teres minor muscle and lower part থেকে teres major. And lateral border এর costal surface এর পুরোটা থেকেই origin নেয় subscapularis muscle. Medial border. It extends from superior angle to inferior angle. Costal surface of medial border, it receive insertion of serratus anterior muscle. Dorsal surface of this border receive insertion of levator scapulae muscle. Levator scapulae muscle insertion e superior angle to apex of the spine এই পার্টটুকুতে, and opposite the apex rhomboidus minor muscle insertion হয়, and rest of the part receive insertion of rhomboidus major muscle. Superior border. Superior border is thin and short. It extends from superior angle to the root of coracoid process. Superior border presents suprascapular notch. This is suprascapular notch. Suprascapular notch transmit suprascapular vessel and nerve. Lateral angle. Lateral angle is the junction of superior border and lateral border. Lateral angle bears glenoid cavity. This is glenoid cavity. Glenoid cavity is articulates with the head of the humerus and formation করে glenohumeral joint, which is ball and socket type of synovial joint. এভাবে যুক্ত হয় glenoid cavity and head of the humerus. এটা রাইট সাইডেড হিউমেরাস, কাজে ভালোভাবে বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, বাট এইভাবেই যুক্ত হয়, এভাবে যুক্ত হয়ে ফর্মেশন করে glenohumeral joint. Superior angle. It is the junction of superior border and medial border. Superior angle is thin and deeply placed. এটা ওভারল্যাপড হয় ট্রাপিজিয়াস মাসেলের মাধ্যমে. Inferior angle. It is the junction of medial border and lateral border. Dorsal surface of inferior angle originate teres major and few slips of latissimus dorsi. And ventral surface receive insertion of serratus anterior muscle. Spine of the scapula. It present apex. This is apex of the spine. Base, upper surface, lower surface, crest of the spine. Crest of the spine subcutaneous and it is continuous with the upper surface of acromion process. Acromion process এর upper surface এর সাথে continuous হয়. And crest of the spine দুইটা লিপ থাকে, upper lip, lower lip. Upper leaf continuous with the medial border of acromion process, and lower leaf এটা continuous হয় lateral border of acromion process. Upper leaf, it receives insertion of trapezius muscle, and lower leaf, it gives origin of deltoid muscle. Acromion process, this is acromion process. Acromion process is two surface, upper surface, lower surface, two border, medial border, lateral border. Lateral border, it extends from tip of the acromion process to acromial angle, and এখান থেকে origin নেয় deltoid muscle. Coracoid process, coracoid process is resembles like bent finger, অর্থাৎ এই যে বাঁকানো আঙ্গুল এরকম. It has two parts, lower vertical part and upper horizontal part. Tip of the coracoid process এর medial part থেকে origin নেয় coracobrachialis muscle, and lateral part থেকে origin নেয় short head of biceps brachii. And coracoid process is an example of atavastic epiphysis.